Imagine stepping outside your home and seeing not a garden that needs to be replanted every year, but trees steadily producing food season after season. No scrambling for seeds, no dependence on timing or store shelves, just living sources of nourishment that become more productive with age. For most of human history, survival didn't rely only on annual crops. It depended on trees, reliable, long-lasting sources of food that supported families through wars, famine, economic hardship, and harsh winters. These were plants that required little maintenance yet continued to provide, even when people had little time or energy to spare. Annual vegetables certainly have their place, but trees represent stability. Today, you'll discover 8 food-producing trees that can sustain a family for decades. These aren't rare or luxury plants. They are hardy, time-tested, calorie-rich species that can transform land into a dependable food system. Once they're established, they don't just produce once, and yet they keep feeding you year after year. 1. Apple tree. If there's one tree that truly represents long-term food security, it's the apple tree. Apples are more than just fruit. They're a complete system. For centuries, they were a cornerstone of survival across Europe, Asia, and North America, long before refrigeration or global supply chains existed. Entire communities depended on apples because they solved a fundamental challenge: preserving food through winter. Fresh apples could be stored for months in cool conditions like root cellars. Any fruit that became bruised or overripe was still useful. It could be dried, cooked, fermented, or turned into vinegar. Nothing went to waste. Growing an apple tree requires patience. In its early years, it focuses on building strong roots, a sturdy trunk, and a solid branch structure rather than producing heavy crops. This slow start is what makes it so dependable later on. Once mature, an apple tree becomes incredibly productive. A single healthy tree can yield hundreds of pounds of fruit in one season, far more than a household can consume fresh. That surplus becomes a major advantage, allowing for storage, preservation, trade, or even feeding animals. One of the apple's greatest strengths is its versatility. It can be eaten fresh, baked, boiled, dried, fermented, or pressed. Apples can be turned into cider, vinegar, sauces, fruit leather, pies, or long-lasting snacks. In difficult times, food that can be used in many ways becomes especially valuable. From a growing perspective, apple trees are highly adaptable. There are varieties suited for cold climates, hot and humid regions, dry areas, and short growing seasons. Some tolerate frost well, while others are bred for disease resistance and require minimal care once established. Nutritionally, apples provide more than just natural sugars. They contain fiber that supports digestion, vitamin C for immune health, and beneficial plant compounds that help regulate inflammation. While they're not a complete food on their own, they serve as an excellent base crop alongside grains, nuts, and legumes. But the real strength of an apple tree is its consistency. Once it's planted and established, it doesn't need to be replanted. It doesn't depend on yearly seed supplies. It isn't affected by supply disruptions or rising costs. It simply produces steadily, reliably, and on its own rhythm. That level of dependability is invaluable, especially in uncertain times. 2. Walnut tree. Walnut trees are a long-term investment in the truest sense. They don't grow quickly and they don't offer immediate rewards. In their early years, they develop quietly without demanding much attention. But over time, they become massive, powerful trees that provide significant value. Walnuts are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can harvest from a tree. They are rich in healthy fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, as well as protein, fiber, magnesium, manganese, and antioxidants. In survival situations, fat becomes essential. Without enough fat, energy levels drop, mental clarity declines, and the body struggles to function properly. Fat is a key source of long-lasting energy. Walnuts provide that energy naturally. A mature walnut tree can produce thousands of nuts each year. Each nut is protected by a shell, preserving a compact, calorie-dense food that can be stored for long periods. When kept in cool, dry conditions, walnuts can last for years, especially when stored in their shells. They can be eaten raw, roasted, ground into flour, or pressed for oil. Walnut oil itself is valuable, not just as a food, but also for preservation and other traditional uses. Beyond nutrition, walnut trees offer additional long-term benefits. Their wood is highly prized. strong, durable, and valuable for construction or craftsmanship. In a self-reliant system, having access to quality material like this can be just as important as food. Walnut trees also produce natural compounds, such as juglone, which suppress the growth of certain nearby plants. While this requires thoughtful planting in your garden, it can also reduce competition and weed pressure under the tree. Their deep roots help stabilize soil and draw nutrients up from lower layers, improving overall land health over time. They are not fast-growing. It can take years before they reach full production. But true resilience isn't about speed. It's about longevity. It's about investing in the future. It's about planting something today that will strengthen your land for decades. Walnut trees represent that mindset perfectly. They grow tall. They endure changing conditions. They produce quietly. And once they mature, they provide a steady yearly supply of dense, stored energy, falling right from the tree. 3. Mulberry tree. Mulberry trees are among the most underrated survival trees on the planet. They grow quickly, they tolerate poor or dry soil, they resist pests, and they produce an impressive volume of fruit. What makes mulberries truly remarkable is that they don't just survive, they flourish, even with minimal care. Unlike many fruit trees that require careful pruning, fertilizing, spraying, or constant attention, mulberries often grow freely. Once planted, they establish deep roots and within a few years can tower over your property while producing abundant fruit. And when they produce in a big way. A mature mulberry tree can yield hundreds of pounds of berries in a single season. Unlike many fruit trees with a single harvest, mulberries ripen over several weeks, sometimes longer. This staggered production is crucial in survival situations, spreading the food supply over time rather than offering it all at once. The berries themselves are sweet, calorie-rich, and highly nutritious. They provide natural sugars for quick energy, fiber for digestion, vitamin C for immune support, iron for healthy blood, and antioxidants that help protect the body under stress. Mulberries are versatile. Eat them fresh from the tree. Dry them like raisins for long-term storage. Cook them into jams, syrups, or sauces. Ferment them into wine or vinegar. Even the leaves are valuable. They've historically been used to make tea and as livestock fodder. In some cultures, mulberry leaves are recognized for medicinal properties, particularly for supporting healthy blood sugar and metabolism. From a resilience standpoint, mulberries are exceptional. They tolerate heat and cold, thrive in clay, sand, or poor soil, and once established, require minimal watering. They don't demand perfection, and they reward patience and persistence. Plant a mulberry today, and in just a few years, you'll have a tree that can feed you consistently for decades. 4. Pear tree. Pear trees may not get the attention of apple trees, but in survival terms, they are often even tougher. Many pear varieties are extremely cold-hardy and naturally resistant to disease. They tolerate poor soil, wind, and neglect better than most fruit trees. In abandoned homesteads, pear trees are often the last to die, quietly producing fruit for decades without any care. This resilience makes them ideal for survival planting. Pear trees are long-lived. Some historic specimens have borne fruit for over a century, meaning a single planting can feed multiple generations. Few crops offer such a lasting return on investment. Like apples, pears are excellent for storage. Many varieties are harvested firm and actually improve in flavor over time. Properly stored, pears can last for months in cool conditions. Dried pears are calorie-dense, lightweight, and shelf-stable. Perfect for long-term reserves. Nutritionally, pears provide fiber, minerals, and slow-digesting carbohydrates. They're gentle on the stomach, making them especially useful in periods of dietary stress. Another survival advantage is bloom timing. Pears tend to flower later than apples, reducing the risk of frost damage to blossoms. This natural delay often ensures more reliable yields year after year. Pear trees don't draw attention, they don't produce spectacular early harvests or demand constant care. But survival isn't about drama, it's about endurance. It rewards plants that withstand neglect, forgive mistakes, and continue producing under imperfect conditions. Pear trees embody this principle perfectly. Consistency beats intensity, and over the long term, that consistency keeps families fed. 5. Fig tree. Fig trees are natural survival specialists in warm climates. They tolerate poor, rocky soil, they endure drought, they fruit early, often within 2 to 3 years, and they can produce multiple harvests in a single season under the right conditions. Figs have been cultivated for millennia for one reason: reliability. Unlike many other fruit trees, fig trees begin producing quickly. Some varieties even offer an early breba crop on old wood before the main harvest later in the season, providing food more than once a year, a critical advantage in survival scenarios. Figs are calorie-dense and rich in natural sugars, making them an excellent source of energy. They also supply fiber, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. Historically, dried figs were used as travel rations, military provisions, and winter food across the Mediterranean and Middle East. Dried figs store easily without refrigeration. They're compact, portable, and require minimal preparation. Just slice and sun-dry. Figs are also remarkably easy to propagate. A single cutting placed in moist soil can root and grow into a new tree. This allows one tree to multiply over time, creating a small orchard without additional investment. Fig trees adapt well to container growing, small yards, and compact spaces. They respond well to pruning and can remain productive even when kept manageable in size. They don't require rich soil. They don't need constant watering. They don't demand annual spraying. All they need is sun and patience. Unlike slower fruit trees, figs begin providing food while other trees are still focusing on root and branch development, making them one of the fastest pathways to sustainable long-term food security. 6. Olive tree. Olive trees are far more than just fruit trees. They are living symbols of survival. For thousands of years in the sun-scorched, arid Mediterranean, olives sustained entire civilizations. When crops failed or rain didn't come, olive trees endured, and they continued producing. Olive oil itself was more than food. It served as fuel, medicine, trade currency, and even light for lamps. A single mature tree can yield abundant fruit for generations. While the olives are nutritious on their own, it's the oil that transforms them into a survival powerhouse. Olive oil is calorie-dense, shelf-stable, and highly concentrated, a rare feature among plant foods. In survival situations, fat is often the missing nutrient. Carbs are easier to grow, protein can be sourced from legumes or livestock, but fat? That's far harder to secure. Olives provide it naturally. Olives are rich in monounsaturated fats, which support heart health, sustain energy over time, and aid the absorption of other nutrients. They also contain antioxidants that protect the body from stress and inflammation, critical when resources are scarce or physical demands are high. The olive tree itself is legendary in resilience. It thrives in drought, rocky or alkaline soil, heat, wind, and long dry summers. Once established, its deep roots seek water far below the surface. It doesn't need rich soil or constant feeding. In fact, it often performs best in marginal conditions where other fruit trees fail. Some olive trees are hundreds, even thousands of years old. Plant one, and you're not just thinking about yourself. You're planting for generations. Yes, olives require processing to remove bitterness, and extracting oil takes effort. But in return, you gain one of the most valuable survival resources on Earth: concentrated, shelf-stable fat that supports food, medicine, skincare, soap making, and fuel. Olive trees mature slowly, but once fully established, they are among the most reliable trees in warm, dry regions. They're not just fruit trees, they're infrastructure. 7. Avocado tree. In the right climate, avocado trees are unmatched for nutrient density. Avocados aren't typical fruits. They don't spike blood sugar. They aren't dessert. They are sustenance. Creamy, calorie-dense, and packed with healthy fats, avocados provide the energy many survival diets lack. They are rich in monounsaturated fats for sustained energy, fiber for digestive health, potassium often higher than bananas, folate, and other essential micronutrients. Unlike most fruits, avocados function more like a meal than a snack, a critical distinction when resources are limited. A mature tree can produce hundreds of fruits annually, hundreds of nutrient-dense meals quietly growing above you. Since avocados ripen off the tree, harvest timing is flexible, spreading your food supply instead of forcing a single, overwhelming harvest. Young avocado trees do require care: well-draining soil, frost protection, and consistent watering while establishing roots. But once the root system matures, they become far more resilient than most expect. Patience is rewarded. In survival planning, fat is rare. Hunting is unpredictable, dairy may be unavailable, and nuts take years to produce. Avocados solve that problem naturally. They convert sunlight, water, and soil into dense calories, producing quietly and reliably, year after year. Unlike stored food, they don't spoil. 8. Chestnut tree. If survival had a king among trees, the chestnut would be a prime contender. Chestnuts are not snack nuts. They are staple food. For centuries across Europe and Asia, chestnut trees fed entire communities where wheat or grains struggled in rocky, poor soil. They were not luxuries. They were essential daily sustenance. Chestnuts are high in carbohydrates, low in fat, and surprisingly filling. Unlike most nuts, which are fat-heavy, chestnuts act like grains or potatoes, providing slow-burning energy, exactly what the body needs during hard work or food scarcity. They can be roasted over fire, boiled and mashed, dried and ground into flour, added to soups and stews, baked into breads and porridges. Chestnut flour is particularly valuable. It stores well, is naturally sweet, and can replace grain flour in many recipes. In survival terms, a tree that produces flour is not a luxury, it's infrastructure. A single mature chestnut tree can yield hundreds of pounds of food annually. This is not a garnish or supplement, it's sustenance. Per acre, chestnuts can provide more calories than many grains without annual tilling, planting, or constant labor. Once established, the tree does the work for you. Chestnut trees are long-lived and extremely productive once mature. While it may take several years to see full yields, survival is about foresight, not speed. Plant once, harvest for decades. In addition, chestnut trees create ecosystems. Their leaf litter enriches soil, their canopy provides shade, and their roots stabilize slopes and prevent erosion. In mountainous terrain, they turn marginal land into productive farmland. Few trees deliver so many calories per acre with minimal annual effort. That's why chestnuts were called the bread tree, because bread has always been synonymous with survival.